Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host today, and we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV SS. This is one of the most exciting electric vehicles to hit the market in recent times, and it's about to change the game for traditional automakers. Now, let's dive into what makes this vehicle so special. The Blazer EV SS is not just an electric version of a classic SUV, it's a high-performance icon that packs a punch. With its blistering acceleration, impressive range, and advanced features, this vehicle ticks all the boxes for what modern EV buyers are looking for. First off, let's talk about acceleration. I had the chance to test drive the Blazer EV SS with the Performance Pack, and boy, was it exhilarating. The 0-60 time came in at just 3.2 seconds, which is incredibly fast for an electric SUV. And what really impressed me was how well-behaved it was on the track, handling corners with ease and stability control turned off. But acceleration isn't everything. Range is also a crucial factor in an EV's appeal. The Blazer EV SS has a respectable 303 miles of range, which is more than enough for most daily drives. And while it may not match some competitors like the Tesla Model Y Long Range or the Lucid Air, it's still an impressive achievement. Now, let's talk about features. The Blazer EV SS comes loaded with all sorts of advanced tech, including a massive touchscreen display, a premium audio system, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities with its Super Cruise feature. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even upgrade to the Performance Pack for an extra kick. But what sets this vehicle apart from its competitors? For one, it's Chevrolet's bold statement about competing in the EV space. This is not just an economy model. It's a high-performance icon that says electric vehicles can be just as exciting and capable as their gas-powered counterparts. And I have to say, ElectroDrive News has been saying exactly that for years. We've been advocating for a more diverse range of EVs, with different price points, performance levels, and features. And now, Chevrolet is finally joining the party. Now, let's address some potential concerns. One thing that did stand out during my testing was reliability. I heard rumors about software issues with the Blazer EV's launch in 2023, which led to a stop sale order. But thankfully, those problems have been addressed since then. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV SS is a bold statement from Chevrolet that shows they're serious about competing in the EV space. With its blistering acceleration, impressive range, and advanced features, this vehicle ticks all the boxes for what modern EV buyers are looking for. ElectroDrive News believes this is exactly what we need: more of diverse, innovative, and exciting electric vehicles that cater to different needs and preferences. That's it for today's video, folks. If you want to stay up to date on the latest EV news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to ElectroDrive News and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.